Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your Botim app video calls aren't working, maybe there's no sound, the video is stuck or the call won't connect, here's how you can fix it. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and check your internet connection. Botim video calls need a strong and stable internet connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router or use a different network if needed. Also use speedtest.net to make sure your connection is fast enough. After you do that, you want to make sure your app is updated. For that, open up your app store. Then inside here, go ahead and search for Botim. And then if you find update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once you have updated it, if the issue still persists, you want to go ahead and uninstall Botim application and then reinstall it from the app store. After you reinstall the application, try making a video call again. So, if you're still facing issues, use a VPN. If Botim is restricted in your country, try using a reliable VPN to unblock video calling feature. And that's it, your Botim video should now be working. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.